Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit header and footer in Microsoft Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Microsoft Word provides a built-in feature to create header for your document. This way, you can add your company logos, stamps, or branding elements without having to create them again and again. Creating a custom header for your organization is a great way to make your Word document look professional. On my previous video, I have shown you how to insert the header and footer on your Word document. So now, what if you want to edit? It's so simple. So first of all, you can just open your Word document that you want to edit the header and footer. Now, you can see here's the header on my document. If we click on it, you can double click on the header and also on the footer, or you can just go to the insert menu in here, insert section, and click on header to edit your header. There is an option edit header. You can just click on that, and here you can start to edit your header. Easy. Okay, for example, now it's done for your header. You can close it. You want to edit the footer, you can go to insert section, choose on footer, click on edit footer. Okay, like this. And now it's done. Click on close footer. It's very simple, right? So that is how to edit header and footer on your Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.